Wo apomdimu ensem no eye scholastica otu wo ye medical herbalist na wo sanso ye marketing enno na wakasa mu ede ema na wakasa ede afa ensem bi ehu ewo diabetes so hu na nsem oka nyina no ene sei ade ba akwa bema diabetes ayehu eni sei ye toto na sekora no ade ba akwa bi a emwa so mo man Ghana ene ye nipasu no entumi NCP ensita nsem oka nyina sei ene ochiremu.
According to Ministry of Health Ghana, we call one website is your trade. A baby mem ha nimpa 24 million in paying for 24 million. Ewa diabetes is ya wati ho. Ewe baby mem ha Ghana yanododo 30 and 33 and find the 30 to 33 million. In the 16 regions no ya kwa be almost all the 16 regions, 13 regions, Obiawa diabetes. That is how it is prevalent in Africa. Into diabetes here as onam the way easy na is
as a lifestyle disease.
Exactly. Or a lifestyle disease. Into or there yehu kwana yeba fado ye bobo ye ho ban ye be prevent enyama ho wa ye zebo to alquima
ya bekoyi
dam pepe.
Okay.
So obi what diabetes are based on the first line of treatment or pedof, and most of the time maybe or pede offer herbal, another offer orthodox. Kwan bi eba fado no emulate ni mostly advice there said abrofundru do ye nkade j wo abrofundru ne refan. But Adwoa bofundrudun etumfa emulate as supportive therapy.
Okay.
And the reason why I emulate here supportive therapy Apostle enwa na adwenu kwechiri pa. Adwen when you doesn't hu na adwenu kwechiri no, you can see it in the very fiber of this product here or mentioning faith. If I tell you when it comes to extraction process welcome to be able to get compounds now or a bibidru no mono intact. Nyimpa botuma no ma ebi wo hoyerin but efa edruya emulate entenere de ewom onyerin but a herb nanka says this wa herb na ebi ozeka water cheme be empe enwa it came with a lot of thought. Odre nyimpa na obofa edru no ho to compress the constituents, active ingredients, and compounds are now one of the things are emulate more Adwoa in terms of the management of diabetes is what we call magniferin. Magniferin your compound, another or a flavonoids compound. Now flavonoids when you and you there Adwoa body no to enhance sensitivity to insulin.